What's up, YouTube? It's Fancy Clock here. Got some garage organization we gotta be doing today since I got myself a new toolbox. It's a Yukon 46-inch 9-drawer mobile workbench. So that's kind of what it looks like. I'll be getting it unboxed here shortly. It's pretty nice. It's not the biggest or the craziest toolbox, but I really wanted something more with a workbench top so I could put it next to my current workbench I built inside there. So let's get this thing unloaded and get her unboxed.
Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do the aftermath.
Well, this is the toolbox so far. Pretty good size, like the color, like the wood top. So just gotta get the casters on it, so I'm probably gonna tip it over that way and get those on. So we'll see that process here in a second. So as you saw in the video, this bottom drawer is where the all the parts and equipment came in. Some heavy duty casters. Pretty beefy boy. Let me see the size of my hand. I got meaty hands, so. And a bunch of bolts. I'll just do a little time lapse of me bolting those things on, so show you guys in that second. It appears a 12mm fits the best. May not be the exact right size, and they might give different hardware because it's all from China anyway, so. It makes it a lot quicker. So I'll just repeat that for the other side and come back when everything's all done. Alrighty, well, she's assembled. So gonna unlock her. Then we'll have to move a bunch of stuff out of that corner to get this where I want it to go. So yeah, let's check her out a little bit. So already off the bat comes with these nice mats inside. Looks like it comes with the rest of them. The rest of the drawers. Put the keys somewhere. Owner's manual. There's some very useful information. These things in there. Supposedly these are each 100-pound capacity. These bottom ones 200 pounds since they got the two. I don't think I'm gonna have that much gear in it anyways. Alright, well, I'll keep at it and show you where it ends up.
Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Alright, everybody. Excuse me. She's in. Actually works out just the perfect amount of space for my vise. Can completely spin it. So now comes the painstaking process of figuring out what tools go where and how I want to organize everything. So I'll see you guys in a bit. And I'm not going to record all that because I have no idea where everything's going so far. So we'll see how she goes. So I've changed my mind. I'm going to be moving it to this side actually. That way I'll be able to at least put maybe one of these cabinets on this side and it'll be closer to working on, you know, side by side and other stuff. So we'll see if we can get that moved over. Alright, I think that'll be a little better. And we'll see how those shelves, if they'll even fit stacked on top of each other over on this side. I don't think they will, but time will tell. Alright, well, this is the finished product. I probably showed you this already roughly, but I've got everything screwed together and organized the way I want it. So this is the top cabinet. I've got my detailing and car wash stuff there. WD-40 oils, cleaners, bunch of regular oil like lawnmower oil, two-stroke, side-by-side oil. Some screws, and on the bottom haven't completely filled the spotlight, circular saw, a couple car parts, and some chemicals for cleaning and weed ink. So pretty happy with how it's turned out. Basically this top one is screwed down into the second one with the screws actually I got with it since it was just sitting on the road. Then there's one screw going through the back there that is screwed to a stud just to keep it stable. It's not going anywhere. And then yeah, that's about it. Oh, I bought some plywood and made these shelves. I messed up the first one, but then was able to make the rest of them no problem. I have an extra shelf here if I need to change stuff up ever in the future. So pretty happy with how it's all set up. So see how she goes.